whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu.
Hey, what's up guys, Kirky Angel back here again with a new video. Today's video is just gonna be me playing around with my dog Brownie, or if Nina wants to play, if she's in my room. But yeah, I just woke up. My teeth are blue. Not blue, red. I bet. No, red because I ate some Jello, whatever you want to call it, and jelly. And yeah, this is my dog Brownie. Brownie baby. Brownie baby. Come on, baby. You don't want to play right now? Oh, okay. Oh. Look how he fights. He fights with his arms. So yeah, this is just gonna be a video of me playing with my dog like this. If you can like this video and you like puppies or dogs, that'll be greatly appreciated. If you like this video, share and comment below. If you have a dog or any type of pet, I mean, that'll be it, guys. And yeah. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I was just bored. I need to upload every day. It can be whatever it is. And comment down below what should I do for the next video, because I have no idea and my eye itch is really bad right now. But that'll be it, guys. If it's early in the morning for you right now, hope you have a great day. Oh my god. And you know what you guys have to do is subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and turn on your post notifications on. And then yeah, I feel like I have allergies. Alright, then peace out guys. I love you guys.